My country people, how on a day. So our highlights for today now before and after of some actresses that you all know. So let's take a look at this video together. Please like this video to the very end. Don't skip any part. The last person on this video will shock you. From dikeh to hey, I just see I'm not so I shock. Make we watch this video together.
Cindy, they bring the heat, never out of flow. For all the gist you need, she's the one to know. Cooking shots fresh like the rising sun. If you got ears, better tap in, let's have fun. Acroco Cindy, bringing it alive. Every story hits hard, making us thrive. From here to there, she's got that show for entertainment vibes. Let's go, let's go. All the stars shine bright, she's catching them all. Never missing the juice, standing tall. From the movie screens to the music lows. Cindy Day for you, that's how it goes. Dance to the vibe, let the rhythm play. She's got the headlines hot every day, serving them fresh, never old or gray.
Welcome back, guys. If you have watched to this very moment, thank you so much for engaging. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I don't take all your love for granted. I see your support. I see how you've been supporting me right from the day this channel was created. Thank you very much, and believe me, I don't take all that for granted. If you are new to my channel, if this is your first time subscribing, thank you so much and welcome to the family. You can call me Cindy Gist TV. Your army boyhead girl. Hello. So please do well to like, comment, share my videos. They give me one kind encouragement to continue. And please don't forget to turn on that post notification button, so whenever I drop story like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Now, no device, no dull moment on my channel at all. Please, please, please do share my videos. Share to your loved ones, share to your enemies, share to your main chicks, and to your side chicks, send to everybody around you. May they come testify and become part of the family. I love you guys for all the support. Thank you so much, and believe me, I don't take all that for granted. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe out there. Let's enjoy the rest of the video together. Stay safe out there. Bye.
So let me get this straight. It's 2025. Women are working hard, losing weight, changing their lives, and I'm getting insulted because I didn't gain weight to please you. Celebrities are spending thousands, like they're spending thousands on gym membership, trainers, injections, surgeries just to slim down. But here you are, broke, bittered, and bored human being telling me to eat more. You want me to gain weight so I can match your energy? My God. To be honest, it's not about my body. It's about the fact that I am comfortable in it and you are not. You don't want health, you want company in your misery. When someone is slim, it's a problem. When someone is fat, it's a problem. What do you guys really want? I'm not here to fit your idea of beauty. I'm not here to make you feel better about your insecurities. I'm here living confidently, boldly, and unapologetically. So if my body offends you that much, unfollow me, block me, avoid my path, do whatever you need to protect your fragile ego. But one thing you won't do is stop me, because while you sit there criticizing, I'm being admired, studied, and in some cases copied. Like I am being copied. I'm being copied, baby. You get?